Incremental greetings, this is Incremental, also known as William Palace. Today I want to share you something useful, especially if you are very new to SuperMemo. Most likely, this incremental learning manual will be one of your first imports on SuperMemo. And this is one special case. Why? Because once you import, here I already have this in my collection, look. The sources doesn't make sense. Title, Barack Obama, author, super lengthy. That's one email here. The email shouldn't be here. The link, it's one YouTube video. Why this is happening? There's a reason for that. I look for Obama. It's in fact using it is using the reserved CSS classes that SuperMemo is using. Reference, and this will be close selection. On. That's why inside SuperMemo, I still see the same styling. Now I'm using the defaults. This is not my collection. Okay. So now the question is how you can modify this. The most friendly way is right click on it, reference, and since we'll be changing everything, I'll suggest click on edit. Now title will be Incremental Learning. Author, that would be Piotr Wozniak. If you notice the date, it's also off, but I will leave it for now. Source, web import, or whatever you want. Link, let me copy that. That's important to link, so you can manage the duplicates when you try to import in the future the same article. Email, that's out. And comment, we can leave the comment, it doesn't hurt. Okay, now you will see that that's updated, right? The parent and the concept groups depends on your collection. It will be different for you. Now, if you notice, usually the date is the date you import that, as here. That's my today, the day I'm importing that. So let's say that I want this. But before that, I will do the split. So yeah, I can show you everything you could have. Okay, so we are done with the split. Now, if you can see, any topic will have the same references. That's because now we have created in the registry one reference. So all of them will be using this, all of this. Gotcha. So now, I want to modify the date. So what I will do is right click, reference and date. Reference, date. Okay. Now it's giving me some options. And I will choose the second one, which is the today, the time I imported that. So I will click OK. And now I have even more choices. The reason for that is that now I modified one topic, but in the registry I only have one reference. So all of the topics are sharing the same reference. So now in that case, what I want is to modify all of them. So I will choose the second option. Change the references in all elements produced from the original article. So all the splits, all the childs that come from the same split I did some minutes ago. So I click OK, it will put this. So take in mind if you want the date to click here at the bottom or at top. Now it doesn't matter, I can just delete it right away if I want to. And now you can see that the date is using all date now. We have date and alt date. Let me look another one. Boom. Now it's updated. I have the date from today. Now there's no alt date. What we see from date, new date and alt date is when you use this this short command. So if we go here now into registry, now we see the new date. And that's all you need to do.